PAEISys is an acronym for Publicly Available Electronic Information System and is a software company that provides threat data and information to the private sector, municipalities, and government sector in need of structured information regarding threats and hazards within their area of interest. A quick explanation how the system works. We'll use a large magnitude earthquake as an example. Imagine an earthquake happening where the USGS picks up the seismic activity, witnesses within the area reports of the hazard, local media sources report on it, and anyone who self-appoints themselves as a journalist using social media. PAEISys uses its strategic partners such as IBM Watson, Microsoft Cognitive Services, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, U.S. Geological Survey, universities, and social media sites to gather news and information from thousands of newspapers, television stations, radio services, public broadcasting, self-journalists, witnesses, and those part of the humanitarian efforts. Unlike a simple search using keywords, PAEISys takes the unstructured data, reads, studies, and tags the captured information into 6 very distinct categories. PAEISys uses multiple algorithms, formulas, proprietary dictionaries, and matrices to categorize 50 different threats and hazards. Although the main topic speaks of an incident, PAEISys is intelligent enough to discover and categorize multiple events in the same story. PAEISys geographically locates each event by creating a latitude and longitude right into the metadata of the story. If multiple locations are indicated, PAEISys will capture that information and memorialize that by tagging the story. Much like the process of identifying threats and hazards, PAEISys uses multiple algorithms, formulas, proprietary dictionaries, and matrices to categorize the 16 different industries identified by the Department of Homeland Security as critical infrastructures and key resources. Emergency Support Functions, also known as ESFs, is the grouping of governmental and certain private sector capabilities into an organizational structure to provide support, resources, program implementation, and services that are most likely needed to save lives, protect property and the environment, restore essential services and critical infrastructure, and help victims and communities return to normal following domestic incidents. Based upon the types of threats or hazards, PAEISys will help identify the emergency support functions that could be impacted. PAEISys identifies named entities such as businesses and organizations that may have been spoken of. Lastly, PAEISys uses another type of algorithm to identify names of people extracted from newsworthy events. PAEISys uses many algorithms and formulas that are proprietary to autonomously create metadata to threats and hazards that are spoken of around the globe. PAEISys is your personal privatized fusion center that persistently reads thousands of publicly made available information and categorizing them every second of the day.